Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'll share with you how I label all food ingredients. For my last 2 weeks videos I showed you how I pack them, so in this video I'll show you how I label all. Keep watching and let's dive into it. So to label all of this you need masking tape and a marker. Hello all my Jenny subscribers, thanks for your wonderful support, and if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks for returning. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. 2 yummy recipes are updated every week on this channel, so subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get alerts whenever new videos are updated in this very channel, everyone. So keep watching and don't go away. In this very video I will not talk much, but keep watching. All ingredients are labeled for abroad travel, everyone. All right, enjoy and tell me what you like about this video on the comment section down below. everyone. If you've watched my video up to this point, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to watch the ads. So all ingredients are all labeled and it all has their English name, so we don't have any difficulties at the border. So Oyibo, we don't ask you what ingredients is this. Alright everyone, thanks for all your wonderful support always. Stay safe, stay connected, and if you've not watched my video on where I got these things, how much it costs and everything, I will leave the link down below at the description box. Don't forget to watch. Stay safe, stay connected, and bye for now.